Welcome to Pro Webcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Wednesday, March 31st, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Paul Wilson. Today's news is sponsored by Covenant Reliance Producers. We build success stories. For more information, please visit crproducers.com. Now for today's headlines. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners has announced that it will hold a hearing in Washington on May 20th, addressing stranger or originated annuity transactions, in which investors pay seniors or the unhealthy a lump sum in exchange for the death benefits associated with annuities. The focus of the hearing will be on the practice of enticing seniors and the terminally ill to act as insured lives on an annuity purchase, while the death benefit goes towards a third-party investor or an intermediary. Regulators are focusing on the issue after recent media reports involving cases in which seniors were taken advantage of. Meanwhile, some insurers have been fighting back, saying that state insurable interest laws apply to annuity death benefits. The meeting is expected to focus on insurable interest in stranger-oriented annuity transaction, as well as whether the transactions are legal, and if models and regulations should be altered in the name of consumer protection. In other annuity news, bank sales of fixed and variable annuities continued to decline in January, reaching record lows, according to data from Limra. Monthly sales of bank annuities have been in a tailspin since they reached a 2009 high of $5 billion last March. Since then, total sales have fallen to $2.4 billion as of January, compared to $4.2 billion 1 year earlier. Meanwhile, fixed annuities, which helped provide a boost in 2009, have fallen to $1.3 billion from $3.5 billion in January 2009. Finally, banks sold approximately $1 billion in variable annuities in January, down 21% from December's high of $1.3 billion, but better than the $700 million in sales experienced in January 2009. In economic news, private employers in the U.S. unexpectedly shed more jobs in March, dampening confidence about job growth. U.S. private employers cut 23,000 jobs in March, an improvement over the 24,000 jobs lost in February, but missing expectations for an increase in jobs. The median of estimates from economists surveyed by Reuters was for a rise of 40,000 private sector jobs for the month. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching Pro Webcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.